Standing at 14,000 feet, the sun is so intense it feels like it's burning through your skin. But the wind? The wind is screaming at 20 below zero. In a place where oxygen is a luxury and the weather changes its mind every 10 minutes, nature had to build a masterpiece of survival. It's a secret that kept an empire alive and would leave modern synthetics in the dust. To understand how to conquer the coldest peaks, we have to look at a technology that wasn't born in a lab, but forged in the clouds. This is the secret of the Andes. And this is why alpaca is the ultimate fiber. Let's take a look at the Peruvian Andes, the alpaca's habitat. It's not just cold, it's a climatic battlefield. Unlike the Arctic or Russia, where the extreme cold is a long, steady season, the Andes can force you to endure winter to summer every 24 hours. Amplified by the thin atmosphere, temperatures can range from 68 degrees Fahrenheit under the scorching sun to -4 degrees Fahrenheit the second it sets. No time to adapt. In this vertical world, you can't survive with heavy layers or thick fat. You need a shield that is ultra-light and dynamically thermal. This isn't just a habitat, it's the most brutal testing ground on Earth. So, how does a single fiber handle a 64-degree temperature swing? Well, the secret is hidden at the microscopic level. Most natural fibers, like merino, are solid, but alpaca fibers are different. They feature a semi-hollow core. Imagine tons of microscopic air pockets trapped inside every single strand. These chambers act as a high-tech thermal shield, locking in your body heat when the mountain air turns lethal. But here is the real breakthrough. When you start to move and your body temp rises, these air pockets allow moisture and excess heat to bridge the gap and escape. It's a dynamic ventilation system. While synthetics trap sweat against your skin, turning you into a hot mess, alpaca breathes with you. It's not just a fiber, it's nature's own biological engineering. Synthetics are cheap for a reason. They are a trap. They lock in sweat and bacteria, leaving you cold, clammy, and smelling like a locker room. Merino wool has been the industry gold standard for years, but it has limits. Its solid core makes it heavier, slower to dry, and nowhere near as thermally efficient as alpaca's semi-hollow core fiber. But to try to compete with the fiber of the gods, the industry put the nail in the coffin. Most merino is superwashed. This results in clothes loaded with harsh chemicals that burn off the fiber's natural scales and coat them in plastic resin just to make them machine washable. Even luxury materials like cashmere can't compete. They lack the rugged durability needed for the outdoors. And of course, we all know cotton kills. It is a moisture sponge that strips away your body heat the moment it gets wet. It's time to upgrade. Alpaca is the ultimate outdoor fiber. It's more thermo-regulating than merino, way more breathable than synthetics, and naturally antibacterial, meaning you can wear it for days and days on a hike or mountain trail, and it will smell like the fresh air you're breathing in. You aren't just choosing nature's perfect fiber, you're choosing a legacy of survival that hasn't been matched in 5,000 years. Don't just settle for gear that survives the outdoors. Wear the fiber that was born and keeps evolving to dominate it. This is Arms of Andes, home of the world's only 100% alpaca outdoor apparel.